Welcome to the show, everyone. I am Ava Dawson, and I am joined by Daniel Garcia. Daniel, let us dive right into a number that really highlights how tough it is to find a doctor right now. 56. That is how many primary care clinics are operating in and around Meridian, Idaho, according to the latest 2026 ScoreDoc data. 56 options. Yet so many people feel completely lost trying to pick one.
56 is a massive number for a growing area like Meridian. When you are staring at a list that long, it is easy to just pick the closest clinic to your house and hope for the best. But when you look at the actual patient reviews over the last 24 months, 3 specific clinics stand out from the rest: Andersen Family Care, West DPC, and Hazel Healthcare.
And what is fascinating is how different their models are. Let us start with Andersen Family Care. They are running on a traditional family medicine model, but their patient satisfaction metrics are through the roof. Out of 117 total reviews, with 50 of those being recent, they are sitting at a 94% positive sentiment rate. 94%!
A 94% positive sentiment in healthcare is incredibly rare. Usually people only leave reviews when they are angry about a billing issue or a long wait. When you read the feedback for Andersen, the word that keeps popping up is unhurried. Patients are explicitly pointing out that the providers actually sit down and take their time during examinations, instead of rushing out the door after 5 minutes.
Exactly. It is that classic, high-touch family medicine experience that feels so rare these days. But then you look at our second standout, West DPC, and they are doing something completely different. They have a perfect 5-star rating with 12 reviews, and they bypass the traditional insurance bottleneck entirely by using a direct primary care model. It is membership-based.
Direct primary care is a fascinating shift. Instead of dealing with co-pays and insurance approvals, you pay a flat monthly fee directly to the clinic. And the data shows patients absolutely love the access it gives them. We are talking direct digital communication with their doctor and actual same-day appointments. It is basically the antithesis of the typical administrative headache.
It really is. You're paying for direct access. But then you have our third clinic, Hazel Healthcare, which has 99 reviews, an impressive 99% positive sentiment, and they have carved out an entirely different niche. They focus on K-12 students by partnering directly with local school districts to integrate physical and mental health resources right inside the schools.
Integrating care directly into the school environment is a massive logistical relief for working parents. Think about it. Instead of taking a half day off work, driving to a clinic, and waiting in a lobby, the care happens where the student already is. They are solving a massive access barrier for families.
So you really have 3 distinct paths in Meridian. Andersen for that traditional, dedicated FaceTime. West DPC if you want to bypass insurance for instant digital access. And Hazel Healthcare for seamless, school-integrated pediatric support. It just shows that the best clinic really depends on which model fits your life. Thanks for listening, and we will see you next time.